So, hi guys. Happy New Year. Today we are going to look at something very simple, which is the secure file transfer protocol, command. And this is basically, a secure file transfer protocol that allows you transfer files via SSH, right? And yeah, we're going to look at this. So let's basically see what it is. So secure transfer protocol. And if you look at Google, it says I'm using an incognito session. Oh my lord, this is super annoying. I thought this stops this stuff, of course. All right, so basically this is a secure file transfer protocol is a secure network protocol for transferring files between computers, providing encryption and authentication through secure shell, which is your SSH, right? So I have two Mac here. So I have this Mac I'm recording with, which is the M4, and if you see, if I do something like um, who I here, you'll see this is this. I am Melody Leonard here. So if I go to, let's say for instance, if I SSH into the second Mac here, and let's just do that. So I'm going to say um, so I have an alias somewhere that helps me SSH into the second Mac. And if I do something like this, and you can see this is basically a different Mac, of course. You can see the terminal is different as well. So if I clear this and say something like, are you kidding me? All right. If I clear this and say something like, who am I here? You can see this is Melody Ifeanyi, which is entirely different, computer. So instead of running, basically the SSH, then my device, I could do something like secure file transfer protocol. I think I have that command here, and I could say I want to SSH secure, into Melody Ifeanyi and my IP address. And if I do that, I could type my command here. I think I got that wrong. Okay, of course I did. All right, so I'm in this session now, and I could, list, and basically I'm listing what is in my second computer. So I could go into, for instance, I could go into the documents. And of course, I don't get up to the complete. So basically, in your, SFTP, you don't have access to all the commands you could actually run. Uh, you know, like uh, uh, you know, there are some commands that you basically wouldn't run, and there are some, instances you don't have access to as well. And basically some of your configurations are still not there as well. So I'm basically going to, like declare isn't working here, which is awesome. So I'm basically going to ls here, and I'm going to see the stuffs I have here. One of these is the melody, Oparigo melody resume 2024. So I want to actually copy this. And the way you do that here is actually you could do something like it gets. So you could get this and you could paste, basically I can even go back. So I could do a get like this, and that should copy it into my current instance. But I don't want to do this right now. So I want to create a directory in my current Mac. So everything will stay there nice and clean. So I'm going to exit this for now, and I'm going to clear this. So I am in my project. So I'm going to mkdir. I'm going to do examples dash SFTP. I'll cd into that examples SFTP. I'm going to ls here. There's nothing here. I'm going to clear this. Then I would have to, go back to that section. I would put in my password. And when I do that, I will cd into documents. and I'm inside the document. So I'm going to now do a get. I am going to do that get because I still have this in my clipboard. I'm going to, basically do that get, and I'll get this. This will now copy that stuff here, and it's basically copying it into the directory you have opened, which is going to be this one here. So if I go back, if I zip this now, you would see that I'm now here. And if I ls this, you could see this. Of course, I could do open, this, and this is basically going to open it for me here. And you can see this here. So, I don't know. Like for me, I think using the secure file transfer protocol this way is very nice and clean. And I know most of us already know this, but for me, I have not always used it like this. I've used SSH, to do one or two things, but secure file transfer protocol itself, I haven't used it. And few days ago, I was pondering if I wanted to transfer stores, because sometimes I have downloaded, let's say, a software or something like that in a different Mac, and I want to share that. And I know that one way you could actually do this is you could also configure Git to have shared stuffs and stuff like that for your personal stuff, or also being able to transfer softwares so you don't have to re-download and all that kind of stuff is very nice and clean. And this is one way you could actually do that. So yeah, thanks for joining, I guess. And yeah, it's nice to finally meet all of us in 2026.